Alright, Year 10, I'm just going to briefly talk you through the tasks that I want you to do from here. And we're now focusing on conceptualizing, unpacking what consumerism is, how it evolved, what it does. Alright, so you'll need to, and I will post this PowerPoint up on Edmodo so you can read through it yourself. I'd like you to read through this idea of any word with an ism becomes an abstract noun. So ism is essentially a suffix, so it's added to the end of a word to create a new word, and when we add the suffix of ism to a word, it becomes an abstract noun. So an abstract noun is still a thing, but it's intangible. We can't grab it. So love, hate, jealousy, sort of a state of being is essentially an abstract noun. Okay, so when we use this suffix of ism, it indicates that the word represents a specific theory, concept, system, or philosophy. These abstract nouns can be political ideologies, states of being, matters, or even artistic movements. And there are a few definitions there, straight from the dictionary. Please pause and read through those. Okay, after you've read through the definitions, you are going to engage with the text twice and just work through a few tasks. So I've got the link down here. The first task, obviously you need to open a Word document or put a new book title in, or put a new page in your book. Please use the title Initial Thoughts on Conceptualizing Consumerism. Now I want you to go to this link and just listen to the song without watching it. And I want you to list as many abstract nouns using the suffix ism as you can without stopping, and collate your tally at the end. Okay, so just a warning, it's not a terribly pleasant or melodious song, nor is it easy on the eyes. There's some really confronting imagery. But first of all, I just want you to listen to it, list as many abstract nouns using the suffix ism as you can. Maybe a prize goes to the person who can hear and write the most. Okay, after you've listened to the clip, I then want you to watch the video clip. Again, some confronting content in there, and work your way through these 10 questions. I'll obviously put this up on Edmodo so you can engage more closely with the questions that way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So all questions are associated with that video clip. Alright, defining consumerism. So I would recommend that you write these definitions up in your book or in your Word document so you can come back and refer to it. So to consume means to use, take in, erode, destroy, or take. Got a few dictionary theories here. And then we've got some ideas and concepts on the patterns of consumerism. So please read through those really thoroughly. Remember, I'm posting this up so you can pause the video and the PowerPoint as you please. Okay, after you've read through those patterns of consumerism, please watch this 11-minute video. It is fantastic. It's in the background and summary of Consumerism by the School of Life. Now, if you haven't heard of the School of Life before, you're in for a treat. They summarize and explain just about everything, anyone, anywhere. It's an amazing resource. So please take the time now and watch this 10-minute video to give you a nice consolidation of consumerism. Alright, once you've finished watching the video, you've now got the background, you've got definitions around this notion of concept of consumerism. So it's now time to build your meta language surrounding it. So I've created a Google Doc titled Lexical Chain on Edmodo here. Okay, so this is a group document. Everyone will be able to edit and contribute. So what I would like you to do is use that to create a lexical chain. So it's going to become a class glossary of terms, or a glossary or a glass, associated with this notion of consumerism. For each word, each word that you contribute, also provide a synonym for another word on the chain. So we've got a really nice rich bank of vocab. Perhaps if you see words up there that you don't know what they mean, that's a great opportunity to research it, provide synonyms. Okay, so remember the lexical chain we usually do in a lovely sort of arrow going down the middle, and we have our positive, neutral, negative. I'm not tech savvy enough to figure out how to do that. If anyone can you go forth and do it? Some sort of collaborative shared doc for all of us to contribute to, or at least tell me how I can do it more effectively. I've just basically put it into 3 columns: positive, neutral, negative. So look, while consumerism has predominantly negative effects, it does have many positive attributes as well. So I've just started the lexical chain with some positive associations: reward, entrepreneurship, and negative, addiction, idleness. So you might start now by providing a synonym for each of those, and then adding some more to your to the vocab list. So positive, neutral, negative, and that's for everyone to contribute to. And then once you've finished all your activities, please submit the document. Ta-ta.